Good morning, this is Kay around the house with Kay and Tom. Went to farmer's market this morning. Got a cantaloupe. Need to do something with it. So this is going to really be a short video just to let you know that when you have any kind of fruit, you can always figure out something to do with it. So we're just going to cut this up quite quick. Seeds out of the middle of it. I also bought a watermelon this morning, and that is so ripe. I don't know whether I'm going to even eat any of that. I mean, that is really, when I cut into it, was like mush almost. I got a little bit. The fruit down here is just getting so ripe. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slice this up. Not a whole lot to it. We're not going to do a whole lot to it. This is cantaloupe and pineapple. And you can take all fruit that you get and mix it together. So what we're going to just do is just cut it up in chunks. All the fruit that's down here is really getting the end of the season. But it's usually real sweet. Everything I buy is really sweet. But you still need some kind of fruit in your refrigerator. If you get hungry during the day, you need something to snack on. Snack on something that's good for you. And like I say, this is going to be such a short video. I'm just going to show you what you can do with this ripe fruit around here. And this is definitely ripe. End of the season cantaloupe. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for looking at my channel, for commenting. I know I haven't put as many videos on as I usually do, but it's going to pick up. I'm going to pick it up. Okay, I have the cantaloupe all cut up, and all you have to do is you open a can of chunk. That's just a cantaloupe and a can of chunk pineapple in 100% pineapple juice. This has actually got a very good flavor to it. As I say, it's a really short video, but it's nothing in the world but a cantaloupe and a can of chunk pineapple in 100% pineapple juice. And it's really good together. I didn't know whether it would be or not, but someone had said it was, so I thought I'd give it a try. So if you need something quick, refreshing to put on the table, this is what you need to do. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom, please come back to see me. And the next time I'll have a longer video. Have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.